lines are never bad. Everything flows smooth. Okay. How you doing, man?
Yeah, you're good, you're good.
Thank you, bro. How you doing? Thank you. I'm official. JCCS 2024. I gotta check what year I'm in, you know? I'll be traveling. Supra's right off the back. This one? I like it. I like this color. I like this blue. Oof. Ooh, I love the plate too.
I think I'll take this.
Nice car, man. Yeah, the color choice is perfect.
Thank you. Yeah.
Love that.
It's the original color?
It is, yeah, Baltic blue.
Baltic blue.
Yeah, you
Okay.
don't see too many of them. They made them from 93 to 95.
Okay.
And I think back then it wasn't a very popular color. But now it kind of stands out a little bit more.
Oh yeah. Now we got the green Supra, limited edition, 115th. Oh, I'm sorry, 15th anniversary. Wait, what? Tripping. Oh, clean engine bay. I like the black, subtle red. Yeah. Everything. Yeah, I guess. It's subtle. It's kind of like, hey, don't give me a referee ticket. That's what it says to me. Let me just enjoy my car. Oh, yeah. Whew. It's a big snail. I like the wrinkle red, yeah. Just because Honda did it doesn't mean you can't do it. It looks good. This is the one I fuck with right here. This green. Yeah. I like it. I like it. Yeah. That one's yours?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, the blue. Where? Oh, the legends? Yeah. Ludacris, where he at? He had the tan one, the gold one. Yeah. Motor Trend. Regular shit.
That's where I got my pin.
There you go.
And my pins.
Is that how you're gonna have your Lexus? One day at the car show? Hey, why not? Bring your shit here. For Toyota Fest, no? Not JCCS, but Toyota Fest. It's a Lexus. They have it here.
I've never seen one.
Exactly. Dump it. Put wheels on it. It's already dumped. Put wheels on it.
Leave it on.
Yeah.
Kick on every once in a while.
Throw a little couple dealership items like him. You're good. You'll be the only one. Hybrid. And just say sponsored by Yoda Works.
Probably
Yeah.
automatic first performance hybrid.
We'll do oh. Oh yeah, I've always liked these. Oh, the sushi plate. Hell yeah. Oh.
Right here.
My brother.
What's up, bro?
How you doing, man?
Daryl.
Yes, but nice to meet you.
Right there, bro. Next to the
You got the wheels on?
Yeah.
Look good.
Yeah, thanks, bro. I mean, from out here, so.
Oh, exactly.
Stands out.
Thanks, bro. Yeah.
Yeah, that looks good.
Thanks, man. We're just gonna go walk right now, but yeah, take a look, bro. I mean, you only seen it at night.
Yeah, one
but-
time,
Yeah.
yeah. What time do you guys get here? Early?
7:30. Yeah, 7:30. Yeah, these are the wheels, bro. I'm actually happy with.
Woo.
Yeah.
Yes. Damn. So how long have you had it?
2 years now.
Okay.
2 years. Yeah. 2 years.
You got it imported or you bought it here?
No, I bought it from a company out in Arizona. They imported it.
Oh. What are they called? What's the name?
Oh, right hand drive specialties.
I had somebody reach out to me from Arizona, and it might be them. I had a Land Cruiser for sale, and he liked it, and he wanted to make business and trade. Might be them, but it sounds familiar. So they imported it for you. Basically, they already have them here, and then they sell it to you.
Yeah, like a used car dealer.
That's it. That's
But
it.
my biggest thing was rust.
Yeah.
I mean, stock. I didn't want like, bro, stock airbox. I mean,
Yeah.
like a lot of
That's what you wanted.
That's the first thing that goes.
Untouched,
You know?
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah,
then
yeah. Rust,
That's another thing, right?
Yeah.
On the other, a lot of people in Japan that really actually take care of the cars, they'll
Vermont plates.
No, not at all.
Hell yeah.
This is the first time bringing it here. And, I mean, as you can see, no other cars, right?
Yeah.
Couple things, like this right here, factory skyline, window visor.
Okay.
This one you don't see out. I mean, none of them else have it. Factory Nissan, little. I mean,
Deflector.
yeah, I've seen some.
I never even
aftermarket
seen
ones.
that before. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, and look, Nissan logo and everything.
That's cool.
So I thought that was dope. GTS factory side skirt, rear balance.
And you said your lips still work.
It does,
Nice.
but I'm running the S14 from there because I don't like that you have to it only works two ways. The factory auto lift where you press a button and when you put the handbrake. So I wanted something permanent. So I went with that one. Yeah, something a little bit more permanent. Stock under the hood.
Same Celicas. Oh, that's Dino.
Like that's
Mm-hmm.
I feel like this one.
Which one? This one?
Yeah. It looks like a
Like a solid? Like a fun.
fun little ripper.
Yeah.
You don't gotta worry so much about scraping.
Yeah. Yeah. Ask him. What's up, Dino?
You, sir?
I'm good, and you?
Good, man. Good to see you.
Same. You met my brother before, right? Yeah.
Kevin.
Yeah. When'd you get in?
Friday.
Okay.
Staying in Pasadena.
Okay. Cool. Hi.
Your truck's not here?
No. It's at home.
Excuse me. Oh, I gotta You didn't bring my truck? What were you thinking about coming to...
Oh man, I know. We always talk about it. I'm like, I honestly.
Late.
When did you remind me about this? A week
Earlier
ago?
this week.
Yeah, I totally missed the sign of everything again.
Yeah, for like a couple of minutes, and we've been friends ever since.
Yeah.
God bless cars, man.
Hell yeah. Yeah. Was it last JCCS? No, the first gen Celica meet.
No. I'm the... it was first... I met you when you were parked over there.
That's right, outside over there. Yeah.
by the community.
So you saw my Celica there.
Yeah.
But I could never make it in here. I always make it outside. This time I didn't even make it outside. I was like, let me just get a ride.
April 5th.
First gen. Yeah. That's really the only time
Hey,
I've been
listen.
driving my Celica right now.
If he gets close and he's not got his shit together, just get him.
Yeah.
Just get him there. I'll hold it.
Subtle, functional, and clean. I fuck with this one a lot.
Brilliant. I mean, that just goes to show the design that you guys put together has stood the test of time effortlessly. So congratulations.
The
on that.
stance
And what are you involved in?
lets me know it's drivable.
Well, I'm
No
chief
problem.
store again, so the other way that I was a designer, so I'm going to bring for my knowledge to our young stars.
It's not dumb. But it's
Now that's great.
enjoyable.
The mind that's behind the Miata NA that we all love is now continuing to teach.
Clean.
What school is it, sir?
Academy of Art University in Tampa.
Clean.
Is going to be influenced.
Slick Talk is
And that's really good news.
Oh.
We really appreciate that. Now, Mr. Matano is going to be at the Mazda booth for a meet
This one?
and greet.
Yeah.
So please make
That
your
one?
way on over there, check
Oh,
it
yeah,
out,
yeah.
and that'll start around 11.
Two-tone. So what kind of, if it was black, what would you do with two-tone? Maybe matte black at the bottom instead of gloss black?
I think I'd go with a OE two-tone color. Little kind of black.
Oh. Silver?
Like the silver and the sea.
And a oh. I was thinking
Look at it.
silver and charcoal. Like darker silver in the bottom. Kind of like that. Like that in the bottom.
And then a darker.
And then a lighter at the top.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Huh.
Let's see.
Like a
secret high performance.
like the silver that's on this over there.
Skyline.
And then the darker on the bottom. See? Those two look good. Yeah.
Original brakes. 4 lug.
Uh-huh. Automatic die cast. Of the hard body. I like the wheels. Oh, okay. Drifter style. This is VIP style. Sheesh. Damn, when you're gonna wanna go to church in style. For sure, Pentecostés right here. I'm gonna call this the Pentecostés. So, you know the churches that are like the Hispanic churches? That they wear the long dresses with the stuff on the head? Yeah. Those are Pentecostés. They got that material. Never seen what, the taillights? Oh. I don't know. Different for sure. With the little tassels. I mean, I'm sure it's comfortable for the girl, but I would dress up like Stuart Little and drive this car. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hey, bet it's fun though. You take that one, I take this one, and we go up the canyons.
I like this.
That'd be sick. Wait, 67 Roadster, SR20, wheelwood brakes.
It's like no space in it. Even like the little fucking intercooler so tiny for the radiator.
Look at the intake. It's a little short and stuffy. It's nice.
Might be the smallest intake of
Yeah.
any stuff.
Turbo's there. Interior's super sick. Oh, I dig where the mirror is at. Yeah. Dude, I would totally love to go on a date. Yeah. The Carlton's car. Pull up. Hey, but I pull out with my
Being banging on the trash. How hard.
Oh, you're not down. Valet. That'd be a whole movie scene right there. Oh man.
That's legit. I like that car.
Yeah, I like it. I like it. Oh, I've seen this one. It's a cop, like a Japanese cop. Boosted K-Series wagon. Oh yeah, EF dash. I remember now. Super comfortable, I could tell you that much. No cup holders though, if I recall. Hey, your kids, and you got trunk space, and you could throw a roof rack or a little Yakima box or something. I fuck with this. And that shit is fast, I'm sure. Oh, all-wheel drive too. That's the whole thing. The wagon, I'm sure it was the Vag, I forget what they call it, a Vago Wag or something, but that differential right there could withstand like 1,000 fucking horses and shit, a stock one, just from that old school wagon. That's what they look for. If you find one of those, it's expensive. So, all-wheel drive turbo. That's an Evo killer right there. So the stock, no. VTEC is not stock. V20 is stock. But this is badass. This is the one right now that, as far as Honda, is taking the cake for me. Okay, so I picked the Honda winner, picked the Toyota winner, the A6, the red one. Now I guess I gotta pick a Nissan winner.
You don't see how, I mean, none of them else have it.
Congratulations!
Wind deflectors.
Yeah, a lot of people in Japan that really
He said, let's see how many STP oil filters we can spot today. Oh, you think so?
They probably rock
The Honda Blue? Yeah, I think so. Well, let's see. Let's see who actually has STP. OEM. This is stock. Yeah. I don't see the oil filter here. Maybe relocated. Oh, this is a different engine. Oh, white one. Ooh, K&N maybe. Extra guard. True. What kind of filter? Oh, it's in the back for features. Concept. HPX. Concept car. This one's sick. Potential Yoda Works for sale car here. I've had a few of these in the stock before. This is nice. Oh, that's nice. I like that. You know why I haven't got rid of my wheel? Because of the shift buttons. And they really do come in handy. Had I had the manual swap already, I would have done the wheel and the bucket seats. But that's why it's the way it is. You're not down. That's a whole nother scene. See the age group? When they're rolling in their bikes in the 80s, and they got a whole podcast studio inside this high ace. That is legit. Sit there with a joint and your person you're gonna interview, the Bandits podcast. Super cool. Shorties, oh, nostalgia right there. Period correct. Oh my god, look at the wheels. That's cool. Okay, Toyota trucks. You see a steering wheel on it? That's it.
Japanese Classic Car Show! Alright!
Nobody's amped. Nobody's amped. That sucks. Fuck. Woo! Come on, y'all. Spanish.
The one that we bought the shirts from, what's that brand? LTE.
Oh, yeah. No, he's not here. He's moving right now. Woo! He's actually in transit right now. He's moving, and he's got like his friends helping with all the trucks, and they're moving their stuff. Yeah, it's crazy, but this is fucking cool. SR5. Got an RWB 86 here, and must be real. So this is the one taking the cake. Yeah.
Gives me a list. Comes by my house. It goes like going around and around, right? And I don't want to do that. So we both have this problem.
Yep. My favorite already. This is the one. That must be fun to do though, like rally in 86. Like real fun. They don't dig the looks of it, but it's the purpose car. So the fact that I know how one drives, probably that must be real fun. But going back to the color scheme, this is the, it can look like this or it can look like that. Honestly, this is the eye catcher that all the kids are gonna recognize now, especially after the new movie comes out. But that's more, Yeah, Initial D. Han from, yeah, he's gonna remake it. Yeah, so it's gonna bring back all the popularity again on it. But I like the red. Oh, I know that guy. Cool guy. Acura Integra GSR 93, I believe. I believe so. See the VTEC badge. Aztec green. Aztec green. Those are nice, yeah. Where's the filter? Honda blue. Oh, yeah. But it's a TRD NASCAR V8. It's a Toyota V8. That is it. See, fully hydraulic steering, wheel wood brakes. We've seen this at SEMA before. This is nice. Toyota always has nice stuff at their booth. Oh my God, look at that.
Well, you know what SEMA concept is
Shovel this side up. 0-60 eventually. Oh boy. Two 15, 65, 16s. That's clean. That's clean. That's my favorite zoo right there. Sorry. My favorite one.
We're gonna roll out in 10:45.
Okay.
So we got like 20 minutes.
Of course, Taka Ono's 86. Always nice to see this in person. That is nice. Super nice. That one's really nice. That was built nice. I need to get my harness. And okay. No, I won't give you a new one.
Yeah.
Oh, you guys are. Where do you guys live? We live in Hudson. Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, I think this past year, there's a lot of moving around, especially like even
What they got there?
Oh, Leo, is it for your car? ¿Huele bien?
Sorry, bro.
This one's really nice.
El porch de La Paz.
Yeah, this one. That's my swag. Datsun. I fuck with that. I like the color. I like the red and the black. Yeah. I like the roll cage. That looks.
That's the size I need for my 40.
205, 50, 15. Oh, 6 lug actually, bro.
Yeah, these are 6.
Oh, you need 5. Yeah. I would like to have this in my backyard. Yeah, buy a container like this with the roll up, and then I could have like a bathroom and then a display room like this to buy my stuff, and then my
Yeah, I'm gonna get it.
We don't have it here no more? Guys, we're gonna have a line forming over here on the side. Oh, really?
I know. I know.
oh. Yo, guess who got motion over here?
He said he's walking, but I was close to him.
He got the motion. Damn. Oh man. This guy can't even walk and enjoy his car show. Because people like me. Oh, he got the motion. Sung Kang.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But he can't even walk, but he's so nice, you know? But he can't even enjoy his show. Oh.
I was just snapping.
But that's cool because he could easily come in early and leave early, I'm sure, like Nads, you know? I mean, I don't know if Nads left, but I'm saying. We saw him here early. Coolest people ever. What's up, man?
You
Good.
gonna today or what?
I'm on my way out. Kevin's got to go to work. We've been here early, but hell yeah.
Okay.
Super nice.
12 o'clock and a 1:30.
Maybe I'll take Uber home.
Right.
All right.
See you guys.
Yeah, good to see you, man. I know. I always forget to carry my little AMG. That one made me $100 the last time. Yeah. All right. Well, JCCS. It was good. It was good.
Yeah, it looks like I gotta go, but
That's all good. We saw everything. Yeah. It was a good time.
that one's
What's your favorite build?
It's tough. I don't know.
We didn't see any more STP filters.
Not really. Not this time.
No.
Can't think of one right now.
Off the top of your head, what's the car
first thing
that comes to
is
your
the
mind?
FJ.
Bruiser?
Oh, yeah.
That's like boom.
Yeah, that shit
Okay.
stands out. Something else. Maybe that Mark III Supra I saw in the beginning.
The blue one.
No, the little one, the older one.
Oh, okay, the
That one was like-
black one.
Yeah, I think it was a black
Okay. That was nice, yes. No, Nissan comes to mind first. Surprise.
I mean, the 40s look good. Like that, there was that one two-tone that I like.
The tan one definitely looked like that one was getting put to use. Nice Supra. You know what would be cool? Like rollers. Like if you're just kind of driving all day today, like in the beginning, and you just catch rollers of different cars, and then that would be cool. Because like, when do you get a picture of that Supra coming with this background? Like, you boom, 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 you snap it, and you do like some Miami Vice. Dude, that's sick. Is it me? It smells funky. Yeah. Yeah, it's probably something. Who knows? It was cool though. It's cool.